Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and reviews.
Today, we're delving into the world of outdoor adventures with a product that's sure to elevate your camping experience. Introducing the best camp counselor costume on the market.
Whether you're a seasoned outdoor enthusiast
or just dipping your toes into the world of camping, this Camp Counselor t-shirt is a must-have addition to your wardrobe. Crafted with comfort and style in mind, this tee is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and a perfect fit for all your camping adventures. But what truly sets this apart is its versatile design. It's not just a shirt, it's a statement piece for all the camping aficionados out there. Whether you're roasting marshmallows by the fire or leading a thrilling hike through the wilderness, this tee has got you covered.
And let's talk about its appeal as a gift. Looking for the perfect present for your camping-loving dad, mom, son, daughter, or even your best friend? Look no further.
This Camp Counselor t-shirt is the ultimate gift idea for birthdays, Father's Day, Mother's Day, or Christmas.
But wait, there's more.
This tee isn't just for campers, it's for anyone who loves the great outdoors. Whether you're hiking, trekking, or simply soaking in nature's beauty, this shirt is a badge of honor for adventurers of all ages. Some text goes here, so why wait? Embrace the spirit of adventure and grab your Camp Counselor t-shirt today. Join the ranks of outdoor enthusiasts around the world who swear by this essential piece of camping gear.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest and greatest products.
Until next time, happy camping!